Good afternoon, everybody. This is Will again here at Cross Jeep in Louisville, Kentucky. We got yet another custom Jeep Gladiator Rubicon build, except for this one's got the JT-2 upgrade kit on it that we provide here at Cross Jeep. This thing looks really sharp. You got the bright white exterior, and then what we kind of upgraded, and that includes in the JT-2 package, is you got some aftermarket Arena Wheelco semi-gloss black wheels. Then we got the 37-inch Toyo tires, and then of course the AV 2-inch spacer kit lift. So this thing is sitting right. I mean, this thing looks great. Love the black wheels paired up with the bright white exterior, and of course standard, you got your dual vented hood, got your premium LED lighting, which is headlights and taillights, and the fog lights as well. Got your rock rails. Open up this driver's door, let you have a look at the interior. So this one comes with the premium cloth bucket seats. Still gonna get that Rubicon stitching. There's your Uconnect 5 with the 12.3-inch touchscreen display, navigation. And you got the cold weather package, so your heated wheel, heated seats, remote start, front and rear lockers. This thing, I believe, also has the Alpine Premium Audio Group. You got your painted 3-piece hardtop, rear sliding window. Got your tow package. Don't mind the mess. They just got done with this build, and it was parked under a tree for a little bit. I mean, overall, it's a fantastic build. I love the look of the black wheels paired up with the white. Got a good theme going on. Give you a full walk around. This one is available, you guys, so be sure to check out our website, crossjeep.com. And the best to explain it to you, click that upper left-hand tab, go to the boring vehicles section. That's where you're going to find almost all of our custom builds, you know, some of the upgraded used cars that have come in, performance cars. A lot of the good stuff is going to be under that category. Also, you can give us a call at 502-537-1738 if you just have more questions about this build or any other vehicle that we have in our inventory. Please do not hesitate to give us a call. Other than that, thank you guys for watching. Be sure to check out all of our other YouTube videos, and hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and also hit that notification bell. Get notified when we upload new videos. If you're in the market for a Jeep and you've just been waiting for the right build, clicking that notification button is going to be a great way for you to kind of get first dibs or first looks at some of the builds that we're putting out. Other than that, I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.